I didn't fall in love with you.
I walked into love with you.
With my eyes wide open, choosing to take every step along the way.
I do believe in fate and destiny, but I also believe we are only fated to do things
that we choose to do anyway. And I choose you.
And I choose you.
In 100 lifetimes.
In 100 lifetimes.
In 100 worlds.
In 100 worlds.
In any version of reality.
In every version of reality. I'd find you.
And I'd choose you.
Welcome everyone, and please be seated. Bren and Nicole, I'm thrilled and honored to be here today with friends and family to witness, celebrate, and usher in this new stage of your lives together. In the weeks leading up to today, I've been thinking a lot about marriage, and specifically, what it will look like for the two of you. You two have made a home together, you've traveled together, you brought Mr. Lucas into this world together. But today, you're both making a commitment to each other, to all of your friends and family, to the world at large, that you will love, honor, and care for one another. You will seek the other's good, do what's best for each other, finding joy in their joy as you live together in marriage. Before today, your lives have been just that, your own. But today, they converge, and as your lives permanently join, so do your dreams. As John Lennon once said, a dream that you dream alone is only a dream, but a dream you dream together, that is a reality. You've grown together from that first glance on your very first date to this point of commitment. At some point along your journey, you decided to marry. From that very moment of yes to this moment of yes, you have indeed been making commitments in an informal way. All those conversations that were held in a car or over a meal or shark fishing with Illy, all those conversations that began with when we're married and continued with I will and you will and we will, all those late night talks that included someday and somehow and maybe, all those promises, those are the unspoken matters of the heart. All these common things and more, that's the real process of a wedding. The symbolic vows you're about to make are a way of saying to one another, you know all those things that we promised and hoped and dreamed? Well, I meant it all, every word of it. So look at each other and remember this moment in time. Before this moment, you've been many things to one another: an acquaintance, friend, companion, lover, dancing partner, even teacher, because you've certainly learned a lot from one another over the past few years. And shortly, you'll say a few words. They'll last just moments, but they'll ignite a lifetime. Words that will take you across a threshold of life where things will never be quite the same between you. So let today's ceremony act as a renaissance, injecting a lifelong vigor for learning, exploring, and celebrating that you both will share long after the champagne is gone and the cake's been eaten. Because when the family all returns home and the honeymoon in Hawaii is over, it's up to you. Up to you to be each other's champion, confidant, and best friend. Today, you become family. And above all else, family is always there. Whether it's celebrating the things in life like today, full of smile and laughter, or the challenges that may bring in the future, you'll always be there to offer each other a hug, a shoulder to cry on, or even just that knowing glance of, I love you. Because after today, you say to the world, this is my husband, this is my wife. So Nicole and Bren have chosen to take their love for each other and write their own vows. Bren, take Nicole's hand and share with her your vows.
Nicole, today I take you as my wife. I give to you myself, my heart, and a promise to love, honor, and cherish you no matter where our adventure in life takes us. Trusting in the strength of our love, always, no matter what comes our way. You are my best friend, my love, my life, my everything. This is my promise to you, today, forever, and always.
Now, Nicole, will you share your vows with Bren?
I take you to be my best friend, my faithful partner, and my one true love. I promise to encourage you and inspire you and love you truly through the good times and the bad. I promise to remember that neither one of us is perfect, but instead that we're perfect for each other. I will forever be there to laugh with you, to lift you up when you're down, and to love you unconditionally through all of our adventures in life together. From this day forward, I vow to love and honor you as my husband for all the days of my life.
Thank you. And now, do you, Bren, vow to cherish Nicole as your lawful wedded wife, protecting her and tending to her needs through sickness and in health?
I do.
Do you, Nicole, vow to cherish Bren as your lawful wedded husband, protecting him and tending to his needs through sickness and in health?
I do.
The rings? As a reminder to the both of you, and as a symbol to the world of the vows that you have made today, let the rings be as precious and as everlasting as the love and commitment you have vowed. Bren?
Nope, that's the wrong ring.
Can you repeat after me? I, Bren, give you, Nicole,
I, Bren, give you, Nicole,
this ring as a symbol of my love for you,
this ring as a symbol of my love for you,
as powerful and as endless as the sea.
as powerful and
And-
as endless as the sea.
And Nicole, repeat after me. I, Nicole, give you, Bren,
I, Nicole, give you, Bren,
this ring as a symbol of my love for you,
as a symbol of my love for you,
as powerful and as endless as the sea.
as powerful and endless as the sea.
By the power vested in me by the state of Florida, it gives me great honor and pleasure to now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss the bride. All right, and it's my pleasure to be the very first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Taylor.
There's no words to say it, but I'll find them over time. There's no way to show it, but I'm gonna try for the rest of my life. 'Cause you are the best part of me, the side I hope everyone sees, the air that I breathe, I'm missing peace, wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me. My daylight sky blue, my greener grass on the other side. It's just the simple truth. All that was wrong, you made it right. 'Cause you are the best part of me, the side
Nicole and Bren, I love you both so much. Nicole, not only for being my best friend, but for being there for me to give advice, hugs, and an extra bit of love. I'm so thankful that we have grown up together and that you've not only picked me as your best friend, but also as an aunt and role model for Lucas. And Bren, I love you too, for not only being such an incredible partner for Nicole, but an even better father, and being a great friend to me and a big brother also. Nicole and Bren, your love makes us smile, makes us tear up with joy, and makes us believe in the kind of love cynics would make you feel is impossible. Thank you for being an inspiration. To Nicole and Bren.
you are, 'cause you are the best part of me, the side I hope everyone sees, the air that I breathe, I'm missing peace, wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me.
Feel like I'm falling, seriously falling hard for you. Oh, forever's a long time, but far from enough time to spend with you. I will always
past 13 years have been great having Bren as a friend. He has been there for me a lot, whether it was picking me up and I had no idea where I was or just stranded, or just calling him for some good logical advice. And Nicole, you are a very lucky woman, because I know Bren, if he would do anything for me, he's going to move mountains for you. And I wish the both of you the best of luck and a long and happy marriage. And I love you guys, and God bless.
I will always be there. I will always be there. So go and call your parents and tell them the good news. Say you've fallen hard and there's someone that needs to meet you. We'll pick out a white dress and grab 2 golden bands. The world will stare in jealousy, 'cause no one understands like you and me. I will always be there. 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 I feel like I've fallen, seriously fallen
I'd find you
hard
and
I'd
I'd choose
choose you.
you.
for